Hello friends, this matter is taken from the website knowindia.gov.in. President's speech on 72 Republic Day 2021 on 26th January 2021. Get ready. 5 seconds. Start. Greetings to all of you on the eve of the 72 Republic Day of the world's largest and most vibrant democracy. In this land of ours, enriched by diversity with many festivals, our national festivals are celebrated by everyone with great patriotic fervor. We celebrate the National Festival of the Republic Day with enthusiasm and express our respect for the national flag and our faith in the Constitution. This day has come to mean a lot to all Indians living within the country and abroad. 71 years ago, on this very day, we, the people of India, adopted, enacted, and gave to ourselves a unique constitution. For all of us, then, this is the day to also pause and ponder over the core values that the Constitution propounds. These values, justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, outlined in the preamble of our Constitution, are sacred to all of us. Its abiding adherence is meant not only for those who are mandated to govern but for the people at large. It is not without reason that the wise men and women who framed the Constitution chose to place these four terms at the very beginning of the Constitution to build the foundation on which the edifice of our democracy rests. In fact, these were the values that guided our freedom struggle. A galaxy of great leaders and thinkers like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Mahatma Gandhi, and Subhash Chandra Bose inspired our freedom struggle. They had diverse dreams of a magnificent future of the motherland, but common to their aspirations were these values: justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. I would like that we go further back into history and inquire why precisely these values guided our national builders. And the answer is obvious. This land and its inhabitants have cherished these ideals from the time immemorial. Justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity are perennial principles of our philosophy of life. They come to us from the dawn of this civilization through an unbroken chain. It is, of course, the task of every generation to seek out the meaning of these values for its time, as the freedom fighters did in their day. So should we in our time. These key principles should light our path to development. Dear fellow citizens, every Indian salutious farmers who have made our vast and populous country self-reliant in food grains and dairy products. Despite advantages of nature, numerous other challenges, and the COVID 19 pandemic, our farmers sustained the agricultural production. A grateful nation is fully committed to the welfare of our farmers. Just as our hard-working farmers ensure food security for the country, the brave soldiers of the armed forces ensure security of our national boundaries amid severest conditions from the freezing cold at Siachen and Galwan Valley in Ladakh with temperatures as low as -50 to 60 degrees Celsius to the scorching heat in Jaisalmer with temperatures as high as 50 degrees Celsius. On land, in the skies, at the vast coastal areas, our warriors are vigilant every moment. Every citizen feels proud about the bravery, patriotism, and the spirit of sacrifice among our soldiers. By their contribution to food security, national security, protection against disease and disasters, and to different areas of development, our scientists have strengthened our national endeavors. From space to the farm, from educational institutions to hospitals, the community of scientists has enriched our life and work. Our scientists have added a glorious chapter of contribution to the well-being of humanity. Our scientists have been working day and night for decoding the coronavirus, and they have succeeded in developing vaccine in record time. With the accomplishment, our scientists have added a glorious chapter of contribution to the well-being of humanity. Our scientists, along with doctors, administrators, and people from other walks of life, have made major contribution in containing the virus and keeping the fatality rate lower in our country compared to that developed countries. Thus, all our farmers, soldiers, and scientists deserve special appreciation, and a grateful nation greets them on this auspicious occasion of the Republic Day. Dear fellow citizens, last year, as humanity almost came to a halt in the face of a calamity of gigantic proportions, I often found myself reflecting on the central message of the Constitution. Our effective response to the pandemic would not have been possible without our constitutional value of fraternity. Indians have been like a close-knit family, making exemplary sacrifices to protect each other in the face of the common enemy of coronavirus. I am thinking here of doctors, nurses, paramedics, healthcare administrators, and sanitation workers who put their own lives at risk to care for COVID 19 patients. Some of them even lost their lives. Along with them, about 1.5 lakh people became victims of this pandemic. I convey my condolences to the bereaved families. Our frontline warriors were ordinary citizens who turned out to be extraordinary. When the history of this tragic chapter, which is not yet over, is written, I am confident that the future generation will behold you all for the heroic response to the crisis for which no one could have truly prepared. Stop.